So on to the next piece. We already cut out the center part, and that's in the yellow. I'm going to cut the next surrounding piece that holds that piece together, and that's going to be part of the aspen. That's going to be one of the petals. So I'm going to follow along the line, and I'm going to cut this inside one first before I cut the whole thing, so I have something more to hold on to. Yes, I probably should be wearing a mask right now. I highly recommend it to save your lungs. This is a small, quick piece I'm doing to show you, and you guys probably wouldn't be able to understand me speaking with a mask on. Now, one thing I've learned about Intarsia is you better have a sharp blade. Sharper the blade, the better the cuts. And I won't lie, it'll scare the hell out of you when that blade breaks. It gets me every time. It's like an adult Jack in the Box. So if we cut this out right, we could take our old piece, and this should match up just nicely without any gaps. Looks pretty nice to me. I'll live with it. So then I'm going to cut this next piece out, the lip of the flower. And on to the next. Still going counterclockwise. Again, I'm going to cut out the bigger piece and leave the smaller so I can save my fingers. Well, there goes the pattern. Unfortunately, it is the outside, and I drew it, so I know what it looked like. Found it.